welcome to this very important discussion on skin, nail, and hair health. When it comes to looking and feeling good, this skin health, the nail health, and the hair growth matter a lot. It is often said that true beauty reflects from within. So, how micronutrients or vitamins can help and improve our skin health, resilience of our nail, and the growth of our hair is something that we are focusing today on in our discussion today with experts. The topic for today is nutrient power, how vitamins affect hair growth, skin, and nail health. We have three eminent panelists with us today to discuss this topic. Ms. Anuradha Sharma is a clinical nutritionist at Howrah, West Bengal. We also have with us Ms. Malvika Fulwani. She's clinical dietitian and certified diabetes educator at the 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃, Nagpur. And we also have with us Shivani Chaturvedi, founder, Delightful Diet Clinic, consultant dietitian and CDE at Powai, Mumbai. We're very pleased and happy to have all the three panelists with us. Welcome to the show.
Hello.
So starting with Anuradha, why is nutrition so important for our skin, nail, and hair growth?
Okay, so our skin, hair, and nails are made up of cells that require specific macronutrients to form and specific nutrients to stay healthy and strong. Okay, so vitamins and minerals are the ones which help in the repair, the growth, to protect these cells from damage, basically enhancing the formation, etc. So they enhance the appearance also. It helps the look of our body. So basically, each vitamin and mineral has its own function, providing essential building blocks to maintain their vitality. But not to forget that these are micronutrients, and they do not work in isolation in our body. So everything eventually zeroes down to balanced diet as well.
For next question, I'd like to go to Malvika. Malvika, there's something called a beauty vitamin, which is also called biotin. Could you help us understand this more, and how does it affect our hair especially?
Biotin is B7, vitamin B7. It's a water-soluble vitamin used to produce keratin, which is a protein present in our hair, which helps in hair elasticity, strengthening of hair. It prevents your hair from damage. It prevents your hair from thinning, from breakage. The hair fall that we are seeing, the winters have started, the hair fall will start. So all of this can be prevented if we have good biotin in our diet. So this is, and it also helps with brittle nails. If you have brittle nails, that means somewhere or the other you are lacking biotin in your diet. So if you have biotin in your diet, it will help with your hair elasticity and nails, strengthening of nails. So that is why it is called the beauty vitamin.
Continuing with biotin, Shivani, are there any benefits of biotin for our skin and our nail health as well?
Thank you for the question, Richa. So biotin aids in forming the fatty acids that nourish the skin. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining skin's natural barrier. So this barrier basically helps retain moisture and protect against the environmental irritants. So if you wish to have a hydrated and supple skin, biotin is, kind of your go-to nutrient. And as far as the nails are concerned, biotin enhances the thickness and also helps in reducing the brittleness. Okay, so it prevents breakage of your nails, which is a very common problem. Therefore, regular intake or supplementation of biotin can, strengthen and helps your nails to grow better.
Right. From biotin to let's move on to beta carotene. Anuradha, can you help us understand how does this impact our skin health?
So basically, beta carotene is the yellow-orange color in all the fruits and vegetables. So it is a powerful antioxidant that our body converts into vitamin A for utilization, basically. It is very essential for our skin health. It helps in, protects the skin from UV rays damage. There has been researchers showing that. So it also helps, protecting from the sunburn, preventing premature aging, because obviously sunburn causes that. It has anti-inflammatory properties. So it has benefits over conditions like acne. It makes skin look more vibrant. It is very beneficial there. So yeah, and basically, like I said, the sources would be the yellow and orange fruits and vegetables.
So, Malvika, does this nutrient beta carotene has any impact on our hair health as well?
So, yeah, as rightly said by Anuradha, that beta carotene is converted to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a very important role in sebum production, which is a natural moisturizer for our hair, and it helps in dryness. If the sebum is produced well, your hair don't get dry very much. So that is how beta carotene plays a very important role in preventing dryness of your hair by actually having that sebum layer on your hair and scalp.
These days, when we talk about skin health, there's a lot of buzz around zinc, that zinc promotes good skin health. So, exactly how does zinc help our skin, Shivani, if you could explain that?
Basically, zinc has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. So it can calm down any kind of redness, swelling, and other inflammatory skin conditions. Also, zinc help to reduce acne, by reducing the oil production and in combating the bacteria that leads to, breakouts basically. As an antioxidant, I would say zinc also combats free radicals that can damage the skin cells, which leads to premature aging and basically dullness of skin. So, it's kind of your go-to mineral when want to maintain a clean and youthful skin. So, zinc is also involved in collagen formation or basically synthesis of collagen in the body, which helps to keep the skin firm and also helps in wound healing. So, if you're looking for any acne breakout and if you're on a zinc supplement or you're consuming enough in your diet, like in the form of pumpkin seeds, Greek yogurt, chickpeas, so you will see a faster recovery.
Also, does zinc help our nail health and our hair health, Anuradha, if you could tell us that?
Sure. So yeah, here we are talking about, formation, repair, and growth of cells. So even hair and nails are cells. Zinc is important for hair growth and repair. Its deficiency definitely leads to hair loss, which is a common problem nowadays. So maintaining zinc levels is crucial for thick and healthy hair, for having brittleless nails, etc. as well. So zinc promotes healthy nail growth, as mentioned by Shivani ji, with a number of sources already said. It also reduces the white spots that we have on our nails. That's a sign of zinc deficiency. So we should be careful, and it's a very abundant nutrient available. So there are a lot of sources. So there is less chances of deficiency. We just have to maintain our balanced diet.
Could you name a few natural sources as well?
Yeah, see, it's there in seafood. It's there in nuts, like Shivani ji also mentioned. It's there in whole grains. So it is very abundant.
Now I want to focus on vitamin B3, which is also called nicotinamide. What benefits does it have for our skin, Malvika, if you could help us understand that?
Yeah, that's a nice question, Richa, because nicotinamide is a powerhouse for skin health. It strengthens the skin's barrier, reduces moisture loss, it improves hydration, reduces blotchiness, making the skin tone look more even. It also has anti-aging properties like improves the lines and wrinkles by boosting collagen production and protecting against environmental damage. So like B3 is something that for that glow, that anti-aging, if you don't want wrinkles, if you don't want, so B3 is the vitamin that should be there for your skin.
And what about how does it affect our hair and our nail health, Shivani, vitamin B3?
So, as compared to skin, nicotinamide has more prominent support for hair and nails by improving the, blood flow and oxygenation. So, this improved circulation helps deliver essential nutrients to hair follicles and nail beds, encouraging healthier growth. So, basically, if you're having a good breakfast included with avocados, you're having some peas in lunch, and some sweet potatoes and mushrooms, these are one of the major sources apart from the creams and other products available in the market for the same.
Now let's talk about vitamin C, which we all know that is very good for our immune system. How does it affect our skin? And Anuradha, I'd like to take this question to you.
So vitamin C is it's a potent antioxidant. It has been heard of a lot. We know it has citric acid as well. So it's one of the most important nutrients for skin health as well. As an antioxidant, it basically fights off it removes the free radicals in our body, which also cause premature aging. It is also essential for collagen production in addition to like zinc was discussed with Shivani ji. It also, so the collagen basically helps in skin, keeping the skin firm and plump. It brightens the skin. We have a lot of products showing that as well in advertisement. It can reduce hyperpigmentation also. So it gives our complexion a very good, like fresh and youthful kind of glowing experience. And it is very abundant again. So it is there in all the citrus fruits. It is citrus fruits are major sources, but then it is available in smaller quantities in most of the fruits and vegetables also. But only thing is that since it is a water soluble vitamin, it gets destroyed while cooking. So we should, take these fruits and vegetables in raw form and enjoy it.
And how does vitamin C affect our hair health and our nail health, Malvika?
So vitamin C, as discussed before, helps in collagen production, which thereby helps in, strengthening hair strands, supports hair growth. It reduces oxidative stress, because of which, oxidative stress can cause hair loss. So vitamin C plays a very important role in reducing oxidative stress, because of which, as rightly said, it reduces free radicals and stuff, and therefore oxidative stress is reduced, and therefore the hair loss is reduced. So that is how vitamin C plays a very important role in reducing the hair loss and strengthening hair. For nails, vitamin C plays important role in iron absorption, and it can actually strengthen your nail by over time.
So, Shivani, with so many benefits of the micronutrients that we've just discussed, is it effective to take multivitamin supplements to support our skin, hair, and nail health?
Definitely, multivitamins can be a convenient way to cover a broad range of essential nutrients if your diet lacks certain vitamins and minerals. So, many of the multivitamins which we already discussed, like biotin and zinc, that definitely support skin and nail health. But the essence here is like they are not a substitute for a healthy diet. So they work better when we are having a good, healthy, balanced diet. And along with it, if we want to supplement with any of these supplements, that's absolutely okay. But the most important thing is having a balanced diet on a regular basis.
So lastly, Anuradha, a lot of people are struggling with graying of hair prematurely. What do you suggest in this regard?
Okay, so graying of hair has a number of factors, including nutrients. So zinc is important, vitamin B12 is important here. We have to understand that. And apart from that, a number of factors like, excess of sunlight exposure, stress, some medications and thyroid disorders are also involved. So we should take care of that if required. But basically, coming back to vitamins and minerals, it would be B12, zinc, water intake. All these things would be important.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for being with us. Multivitamins, as we've understood, can aid and improve our skin health, our nail resilience, and of course, our hair growth if taken with the right advice. And also remember that it is not a substitute for a balanced diet, as our panelists have just explained. We hope that this discussion has been adding a lot of value for your knowledge in how to improve one's beauty from within. Thank you so much for joining us. Once again, I'd like to thank all our panelists for sharing their valuable time with us.